Just stay.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the final day of my 31 days of Halloween. This video is going to be a very special video. I am dedicating this whole entire series to my sister Natasha, who's passed away 3 years this month. If you guys are new to my channel and you don't know that, unfortunate events happen and my sister had passed away. Last year I did Van Gogh's Starry Night, who is my favorite artist and my favorite painting, Starry Starry Night. And I did that in memory of her. Today I'm going to be doing a sugar skull because she loved everything and anything that had to do with skulls or sugar skulls. She just loved that look. And actually 1 year for Halloween I did her half human, half sugar skull, and she really loved it. Me, her, and my mom, we all went to sugar skulls, and we actually won first place in a Halloween contest, which was totally awesome. And my mom showed me this picture of me and her, and I'm the Grim Reaper and she's the little Wicked Witch of the West, which was totally awesome. We had so much fun, and I'm so happy I have these awesome memories of her, and I know that she's with me every single day, and I miss her deeply and I love her deeply. And I want to dedicate this whole entire series to my sister Natasha. I really hope that you guys enjoyed all of my videos of the 31 days of Halloween. I hope that you are going to enjoy this one. Sit back, relax, and just let you guys know that I will be taking a little break from YouTube just to give my skin a little rest, but I will be back with all brand new videos. And of course, Christmas is just around the corner, so I will be having a Christmas giveaway. So thank you so much for your love and support on this series. I really hope that you enjoy this one. And this is in memory of my sister, Natasha. Thanks so much for watching.
Just stay one more night. I'll be by your side. Just